What's up, guys? Jeremy here, and today is June 3rd. I am heading back to the flip site because Lowe's called me telling me that the appliances are going to be delivered. They're delivering the fridge and the stove. We ran into a few hiccups with the appliances actually. Good thing is that the construction is all done and they finished ahead of time and they finished under budget, which is so awesome. But because they finished ahead of time, we ordered the appliances a little later than we should have had. Rookie mistake there. And in a few minutes you're gonna see another rookie mistake that we did, was that we kind of underestimated the whole, I guess, landscaping process. So that's taking longer than it should. What we're gonna do with the landscapers is they're just gonna put the seeds in. They're putting all the irrigation system and all of that. And once that's in, we're just going to list it. We talked about it. I talked about it with my partners, and you know, the market's so hot right now that even though it doesn't look as nice because the grass hasn't grown yet, you know, there's still going to be demand for it. So we shouldn't delay, you know, time, and we shouldn't delay putting it on the market all because of grass. So that's just a little problem right there. But you're going to see right now when we get to the site flip how the construction turned out, how all the finishes look. The interior and the exterior paint looks amazing, and this is pretty much going to go on the market maybe next week, really. So yeah, here we go. We're in the fridge. Here is how the front looks like. The exterior paint is all done. Super nice. We got all this grass here that has to be grown. The gravel all around. I think it turned out so nice. These little baby palm trees here. We're here with my partner, Alex. What's up, Alex? All right. Financial advisor. Alrighty. We got the appliances in.
Looking beautiful.
Looking beautiful. All right. Everything's going along just fine. We got the stackable washer dryer. We were gonna stack it, but we're like, nah, let's just put it on the side by side. It's much better, huh?
Looks great.
Yeah. So here is the backyard. As you can see, the grass hasn't even begun to grow. So that was our little hiccup. To save costs, we put gravel all around here, and then all of that on the perimeters, grass. Got these little baby palm trees all around the corners, or for the edges. So yeah, pretty much everything's done. Washer dryers installed. All we have to do is clean this, clean everything in here, and then bring in the staging, and then we should be listing. So yeah, not really much to talk about in this video because we're pretty much done with construction. But yeah, this whole entire process was pretty fun. Everything went according to plan until the end, and it was just some minor rookie mistakes. But I mean, throughout the whole time, everything was awesome. We were ahead of time, ahead of schedule, under budget, and yeah, everything was going super awesome. And I was kind of paranoid that nothing was going wrong. So definitely awesome when everything happens according to plan. Got the microwave here. So pro tip, when you're getting appliances, make sure that the brands are all matching. We went with GE because that was the only brand that could come the fastest and was the least expensive. But yeah, I learned that tip from Alex, right?
You're welcome.
Make sure your appliances match. I think in my last video, I said that the ARV for this is looking like $740, I think. But I remember when I first got this under contract, I thought I could sell it for $720. And then when we closed, we did an appraisal, and it looks like I could sell it for 740. And now the market's just so crazy. I saw a comp in this neighborhood that looks exactly how this looks, and that sold for 765. So because I closed at 765, that is our new ARV that we're gonna go off of. And when we look at the comps and what's for sale right now that's active, there's nothing. Like, there's no inventory in this neighborhood. So I'm very confident that when we list it at 765, that we will get that price, and hopefully we'll get more. Maybe there's a, multiple offer situation. Knowing this market as a real estate broker and what I've been seeing in on the island, the behavior is that everything is getting multiple offers. Yeah, it definitely looks way better opened up. Because before this was a wall, and then it had like these clear sliding ugly doors.